If you are after a fancy getaway, with Ski In, Ski Out Access Hotel just steps away in Switzerland, this is the spot for you. It's incredibly convenient and absolutely worth it. On top of that, it's a Michelin-rated 5-star hotel, and the lobby features large panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views of the mountain scenery. I celebrated my birthday there, aiming to experience true luxury in a hotel with views of the Swiss Alps in Switzerland.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
And it was truly unforgettable. Train travel in Switzerland is quite pricey. The journey from Champéry village to Villars-sur-Ollon takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes, including local bus transportation. The cost of a round trip on the SBB train is £185, which is almost £200. This is not for first class. While the trip from Villars-sur-Ollon to Genève-Gare-Cornevin takes approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes. We travel by train from Champéry village to Villars-sur-Ollon, and after a half-hour bus ride, we finally reached our destination. It was quite a challenge, especially with 2 large pieces of luggage and a snowboard. In total, it took us about 3 hours to arrive at the hotel lobby. Fortunately, I encountered the hotel staff named February on the stairs, and February was extremely helpful. From the moment I checked in, I was pleasantly surprised by the receptionist named Charles, who was incredibly welcoming and professional. He even let me check in early, since it was winter last year of December. Charles offered me a hot apple cider, which was a nice touch. He showed me around the bar, dining, and breakfast areas. I've never experienced service like this before.
Main restaurant, only open for the night, so for the dinner. The floor is original from 100 years old. Yeah. So the breakfast is served between 7 to 10:30 every day. And it's a really, really amazing breakfast you will see. You have 4 cooking stations with 2 chefs per station. And here, as it is the ballroom, it's the place where people used to dance. Downstairs, so -1, so you'll find the spa. So from 9 to 7 for the spa.
Yeah.
Then the fitness is 24/7. And inside the fitness, you'll find the access to the swimming pool. It's outside, but it's heated, 30 degrees, so it's okay. And it's from 9 to 9. Also in the room, you won't find any mini bars. Instead, you have a room called Origins Bar. It's just at the end of the corridor on the left. And in Origins Bar, you can go there and help yourself with non-alcoholic beverage, coffee, tea, and it's completely free. Yeah, it's free. You have a lot of sodas, coffee, tea. Everything you need is there in the Origins Bar. You can go and help yourself.
Okay.
So 2 to 7.
2 to 7.
I left 1 key here for your electricity.
Yeah.
And welcome. Do you like the room?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you
You
so
also
much.
have a little present.
Oh.
Just there.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, miss.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
And I give you a key. You have the Wi-Fi password just there. And the QR code is for all the menu.
Okay.
Enjoy your stay with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you! Yoo-hoo!
The room prices listed on the website are higher, even for accommodations without mountain views. However, you can sign up for the Leaders Club at no cost to access discounted rates, which include the daily Villars Palace signature buffet breakfast. During the very low season, a classic room with garden views but lacking mountain views is available for £400 for one night. Since we opted for a mountain view, the prices are slightly elevated, but for 2 nights, the total is £1,100 at a non-refundable rate. It's a worthwhile expense if you are celebrating a birthday or wedding anniversary. Also provided every single detailed information about the sauna, pools, gyms, opening times, and temperatures. I felt like a VIP hotel guest. He escorted me to my room and provided a tour, highlighting the Origins bar available for hotel guests, where one can prepare their own coffee and tea, as well as enjoy soft drinks. This is an Origins bar, exclusively for hotel guests. All soft drinks in the fridge are complimentary, including coffee and premium tea sets. Additionally, the views from the windows are stunning and provide a relaxing atmosphere while enjoying a cup. Thank you so much. It truly made my day, especially since I was celebrating 3 days and 2 nights at Villars Palace. It felt like a dream. I reserved a double room with a mountain view on booking.com for a total of £1,100 for just a 2-night stay last December. This amount covered an outstanding breakfast and unlimited access to the spa. Please be aware that this rate is non-refundable, and for an extra £100, the total would rise to £1,200 for the option of free cancellation. This is an Origins bar, exclusively for hotel guests. All soft drinks in the fridge are complimentary, including coffee and premium tea sets. Additionally, the views from the windows are stunning and provide a relaxing atmosphere while enjoying a cup. A luxurious getaway from home. It's truly a Michelin experience with top-notch service at a 5-star hotel. This luxury hotel offers direct access to skiing, allowing guests to ski right to their door and enjoy ski-in, ski-out convenience. The hotel provides car transfers to the ski resort and will arrange a return trip once you finish your day on the slope. For a new snowboarder, the total time spent was about 4 hours. The ski resort, located in the stunning Swiss Alps, presents some challenges for beginners due to its high elevation, which is more suited for intermediate or professional skiers. Nonetheless, the website provides options for ski lessons. So, don't worry about it. The mountain views will take your breath away. My first snowboarding experience video from beginning to end. You can find the link in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is my honest review. I was moved to tears when I entered my room, because today is my birthday. The general manager, Steven, made my day incredibly special and unforgettable. It truly touched the depths of my heart. A bottle of red wine, fragrant and delightful in taste, accompanied the homemade butter cookies, which were crunchy on the outside and melted in my mouth. The cheese sticks were also a highlight, but the chocolate cake was the star of the show, rich and chocolatey, perfectly balanced without being overly sweet, and absolutely delicious. I feel so full tonight that I decided to cancel my restaurant reservation right away. We had our dinner at a Michelin Guide restaurant last night, the one from 1913. It's truly a Michelin experience with top-notch service at a 5-star hotel. Next up, I'll give an honest review of that Michelin Guide restaurant. The stunning Swiss Alps are right in front of us. It feels like we're in a movie. And this dream spa in Switzerland really helped us unwind. The hotel staffs exhibits a high level of professionalism, and the general manager, Stefan Post, is truly a gentleman. So courteous, he has successfully managed an incredible team, just as it ought to be. I felt all the love and care, especially on my birthday. It was a wonderful choice for this dream destination. I have never experienced such exceptional professionalism and attention, even a smaller thing in any luxury hotels and their teams throughout my life. I will certainly be coming back. The hotel offers a car service to the train station. Thank you, February. You are a hardworking and admirable person.
Bye.
The hotel is lucky to have you as part of the team. 100% my honest review.
See you again. Bye. Thank you very much. Appreciate.
The cost of traveling from Villars Palace to Geneva City via Uber should be compared to the price of a train ticket for each journey. It is nearly 3 times more expensive. If the Uber fare is similar to or less than double the train ticket price, we will proceed with the more convenient option.